Today we're taking a look at Legacy's ultra-quiet 10-gallon Flexzilla air compressor. Legacy has been manufacturing high-quality tools for over 30 years, and recently their Flexzilla brand has taken the air and water industries by storm. This brand continues to grow with a wide variety of lubrication tools, electrical cords, gloves, and more. But today we're talking about air compressors. This bad boy right here features a 10-gallon tank, 2-horsepower motor, and quiet technology. Legacy has 3 portable and 3 stationary air compressors, and each is going to address a different need. The portables are ideal for the job site. The easy-to-maneuver design is perfect for contractors or the DIYer who wants the best. The larger stationary units are available in sizes 80 to 120 gallons and are perfect for auto and woodworking shops. These extremely quiet beasts will provide all the PSI and CFM you'll ever need without that ear-splitting roar of other models you'll find on the market. Taking a closer look at this model, you'll see that the controls are right here behind the pump. The tank pressure gauge and pressure regulator gauge are close together so you can easily read them both. There's an easy-to-reach manual tank drain and 2 brass universal couplers for quick air hose connection. What's unique about Flexzilla's portable and stationary models is the quiet technology. If an air compressor is an essential tool for your job, then you know they can be extremely noisy, especially in confined spaces, but not this Flexzilla model. How is it so quiet? I thought you'd never ask. First, the motor on this mean machine purrs like a kitten. The compressor is specifically designed to run at a lower RPM. This reduces high-frequency noise, which is a primary cause of hearing loss. And second, these are designed to push out air through a method called positive air displacement, rather than the more noisy dynamic air displacement. And the result of these design elements is one of the quietest air compressors on the market. Now you might be thinking, sure, it's quiet, but so is a hand pump. Does this thing actually perform? And the answer is yes. This model sets the industry standard, pumping 8.39 CFM at 40 PSI or 5.77 CFM at 90 PSI. More than enough to handle everything from finish and framing nailers to impact wrenches. If you were wondering why one of those numbers increased while the other decreased, then you were paying attention. Think of it like this. When you put your thumb over the end of a water hose, you are increasing the pressure. It is more powerful, but less water comes out. The same holds true for air compressors. As PSI increases, CFM decreases. If you're looking for more details or a link to the user's manual, check out the description below. And now that we know the basics of this Flexzilla compressor, let's put it to work. Cross some things off my household project list. This compressor is one of the staples of my workshop. It's easy to transport, it's ultra quiet, and has plenty of power. And oh yeah, it comes with a 1-year warranty. Another great product from Legacy is their Pro Air Hose, and we have a video of that here. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, keep working and take care.